Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are comparing ERPNext and Odoo for your CRM needs in 2025, you are in the right place. These are two of the most popular open source ERP platforms, but when it comes to managing customer relationships, which one actually delivers the better experience? Stick around as we break it all down: pricing, features, usability, and more. First, let's quickly define the two platforms. ERPNext is a full-featured open-source ERP system built by Frappe. It is designed to serve small to medium businesses across a wide range of industries, from manufacturing to services. On the other hand, Odoo is another open-source ERP system, but it is known for its modular approach. You can install only the apps you need, including a powerful CRM module, and scale up as your business grows. Both platforms aim to streamline business operations, but their approaches to CRM can be quite different. CRM features breakdown. Now let's focus on CRM features. Both ERPNext and Odoo offer core CRM functions like lead and opportunity management, customer segmentation, activity tracking, pipeline stages, integration with email and calendar. But Odoo takes a slightly more modern approach with drag and drop pipeline views and customizable dashboards. You can schedule meetings, log calls, and create follow ups with a smooth user interface. ERPNext, while powerful, leans towards a more traditional layout. It's built around documents, leads opportunities, quotations, and offers solid reporting tools. The learning curve is a bit steeper, but once you are in, it's robust and reliable. If you are looking for automation, Odoo has more out of the box options, like automated lead scoring, email campaigns, and integrations with marketing apps. ERPNext can do these things too, but it often requires more customization, user interface, and ease of use. User interface is another key difference. Odoo's CRM module is polished, intuitive, and designed with modern UX standards in mind. Navigation is clean, and new users can usually find their way around with minimal training. ERPNext has improved significantly in recent years, especially with the newer versions, but it still feels more ERP like, structured and form heavy. Power users may appreciate that, but casual users or sales teams may prefer Odoo's cleaner experience. Customization and flexibility. When it comes to customization, ERPNext gives you deep access to the backed via Frappe framework. You can create custom forms, workflows, and scripts pretty easily if you have a bit of technical knowledge. Odoo offers great customization too, especially in the enterprise version, but deeper changes sometimes require developer level expertise. Its open core module means some advanced features are only available in the paid plans. Community and support. Support and community are crucial, especially for open source tools. ERPNext has an active community, a solid forum, and detailed documentation. Plus, Frappe Cloud users can get official support. Odoo's community is much larger globally, and you will find more third-party apps, developers, and integrators. But keep in mind, with Odoo, community support is free, but enterprise support comes with a price tag. Conclusion and recommendation. So which one should you choose? If you want a modern, intuitive CRM with strong marketing tools and you are okay with paying for premium features, Odoo is a fantastic choice. But if you want a free open source all-in-one ERP with good CRM capabilities and full backend control, ERPNext is hard to beat. Both platforms are excellent. It really comes down to your business needs, budget, and technical comfort. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.